What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to explain to you how to get into the next line in the ChatGPT, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you basically check out our previous ChatGPT videos if you have any trouble using it. So how to get to the next line? Well, meaning how to get in the next line in the question. So as you can see, when you write anything and when you press enter by going to the next line, it just immediately sends it. So if you want to skip to the next line, maybe you want to make that the list about of the things that you want ChatGPT to give you the answer. So let's say write about and the two dots, and you want to go to the next line. So how to do it? Well, if you press enter, it just sends it away. So how to do it? Well, just type in like this and hold, if you're using a Windows computer, hold shift and enter in the same time. So as you can see, when you press shift, let's say dogs, and hold shift, press enter, and it goes to the new line. As you can see, let's just go to, as you can see, you can go as much lines as you want. So quite an easy feature. So let's repeat it. So let's just get to the new line. So let's go like this. You just hold shift, press enter, and it just skips to the next line. So quite an easy feature, quite a nice one. So guys, hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.